All right, here we have, it's just a charger for your Galaxy Watch. I can open it. So here we go. It is a braided cable. So you can see that. It's actually a pretty nice cable. So we have this. It is a USB-C, so I have to grab another charger. So give me 1 second. All right, so I have another charging brick. So here we go. We have this. Like I said, this is actually a pretty nice cable, surprisingly, just for this little watch charger. I do have a watch here. Let me clear that out. So I have my watch here. I'll take this off really quick. Like I said, this is actually a pretty nice material. It's like a grayish metallic. So we have plastic, take that off, and we will just plug it in to the USB-C port on this brick. That's on. And a moment of truth, if it works. Yep, there we go. It works. Simple, easy, portable, just throw it in your bag. It's like I said, it's pretty nice. It's a braided cable, so it should last you a little bit longer. But yeah, so there you go. Simple, easy product. Works.